Hey guys, welcome to another video. That was a weird opening. If you were wondering what was happening to my character, I actually entered the null zone. It's where Roblox loses track your character, and then you just spaz out, turn pixely and stuff. But I am actually going to be trying to get to the end of Build a Boat for Treasure with only a jetpack and a speed candy. And one more candy. I jump. Okay. So pretty much what I'm gonna do, I need to get to the wall, and then just get through here. And yes, the null zone is not too great. It just makes you pixely, spaz out, glitch, until you die in the game. And I was literally right at the treasure chest when that happened. So now I'm recording the video. I wanted to record me being in the null zone. I just call this the null zone video, but yeah. The null zone killed me before the video started, really. It was 1 second in when the null zone there. But anyway, yes, we are going to be doing this. And in the last video, we kind of pranked my friend. I'm calling him back up. Anyway, so now we're in the new update. Now there's jetpacks. Why isn't my jetpack working? But yeah, the jetpacks are super good, and they allow you to skip the whole course. Just put one on. Oh no. Please say I'm not going into null zone. Oh, that was close. Wait, what? What's happening? But yes, it is. No. Oh no. Okay, good. The jetpack didn't bring me into null zone this time. Last time I got super jumped into the air and it flung me into the null zone where I was glitching out in the start of the video. Hope that doesn't happen again at the end, so if it does, well, that's bad. But anyway, guys, if you want to check out Build a Boat for Treasure, it's on Roblox. Roblox is perfectly free. And also, you can actually create your own game, like Build a Boat, if you want. But you'd probably have to check it out first, so you know what it's like. No. Oh no. Don't fling me into the null zone. Oh, good, it's not too long. But anyway, I don't want to go in the null zone again, so I'm going to be careful with my jetpack. Now that I'm already, like, halfway in, I think it's time to tell you guys one more thing. That, know how we prank called Ollie in the last episode, and I said I was going to give him, like, 2.5 cookies to make it up to him? What if I prank him again and not give him the cookies? That would be kind of mean, but still. Yeah, I'm not doing it. This one you need a jetpack for. But anyway, if you saw all my videos, you know what's happening so far. I'm trying to post like every day since I started, but it will take a lot of time to publish the videos and stuff. It takes like an hour to publish them, like 2 minutes to edit them, 15 minutes to make them. But just so you know, all my videos don't have a proper ending, really. I just say, well, you're gonna see this in this video, and then it just ends. The video ends because, it's because I actually am on a timer, 15 minutes, and then my recording stops. What? An error code? Fine. This error code is annoying. I'm gonna leave real quick. I'll pause the video and then I'll be right back, okay? I'll take a little back. Oh, it's on. Well, I'm back. It probably was just like 1 second for you guys because I paused the recording. Anyway, we actually might not do the jetpack to the end. And I also want to show you a little secret in Build-A-Boat. It's in the Magenta tribe. You have to get in here, and there's a secret Easter egg in it. It's in it, so I get. I'm in. Also, why am I not getting teleported? What? Oh, there it is. Now, will teleport me to the Magenta place? Or am I just invisible? Hello, please don't teleport me to the null zone. This is having some error. Oh. Well, actually, do you see this tree right here? Looks normal, right? No, it's not. This is a lever that uncovers a treasure chest. If you go up to here, I already got it. And it gave me the treasure chest in my inventory. It gave me some balloons. And that's about it, I think. I'm not sure what else I got. But actually, we're going to make a very good thing with the materials I have right now. These super boosters cost Robux. I bought them. And now I'm ready to get away. Whoa, guys. And to connect them together, the only really small block I have is balloons, and I have like a million. So to connect them, I'm going to just use the balloons to connect the thrusters. Come on. This is actually really hard. If you played Build-A-Boat for treasure, you know how this feels, and it is hard to build. Anyway, now that we are getting to build this, we're not getting to the end with the jetpack. We are actually going to be getting to the end with the boat and then the jetpack. So we're gonna be on this boat for a while. I don't know what's happening. We're gonna be on this boat for a while, and we're gonna get pretty close to the end. And then once we do get to the end, once we get to as far as the boat can take us, we're going to take off in a jetpack. Let me just grab my jetpack. It's the key part to our plan. We cannot get away. So, I'm going to surround it in steel. So it cannot get away until I grab it. Or I could just grab it at the beginning, and then when the boat breaks down, I just get it to the thing. But, that's what we're gonna do right now. And now we are going to add and then since I have thrown, I need some gold and a treasure chest, of course. But then I'll grab that jetpack. I actually will grab it now. And now, where is it? This. Let's save this so we can do it. Just in case, not stop. What, loading boat? What? No, no. What? No, I don't want this. Instead of saving it, I loaded something. That could be a good book. But it's missing something. Turbo boosters, of course. Okay, here we are. And just to make sure everything's gonna go very well, we'll add these extra normal boosters. They're just normal, nothing special. And then let's get in. Be a perfect fit. Let's get it on the other side. Now it's spilled. Okay, so we are almost done and ready. But we still have a bit to go. And guys, I still have tons of stuff to do. So I'm going to save this boat. And then next episode will be us actually getting through and doing it. But don't let that discourage you. This video wasn't a waste of time. It was just to tell you about the next video and everything. So now, I will meet you in the next video to get to the end with the jetpack. Jetpack is so cute. Anyway, see you later, guys. Peace out, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.